Off to get some gas because all the winter gas is almost gone. Experimenting right now again. This is my other helmet. It's a Scorpion EX3 something or other, and I am not using the media mod with the GoPro Hero 9. I am using the Ulanzi case and the GoPro audio adapter with the Sony lavalier mic. And the mic is not hidden behind the cheek pad. It is right on my mouth. So that's what we got going on today. Yesterday, my double run day, which was most incredible. I filmed the second run with the girls. I screwed the footage up because I had the camera set on linear with horizon leveling. What are you doing? Horizon leveling on, and I was holding the camera too close to my face, so I wasn't happy about that when I finally got to editing the video. Oh well, live and learn, right? I still cut something together. 3 minutes. What is your deal? There is clearly no one coming there, gal. Yeah, I threw something together and put it up. That's okay. These people I am super fortunate to run with they have great personality, man. Great camera presence. I wish they would allow me to film them more. They'll get used to it, maybe. I don't know. Uh-oh, what happened to you? Flat tire. Where am I going to get gas? I'm going to Cultus Lake. So how's the audio on this one? The Scorpion happens to be a lot quieter of a helmet. This person has a great deal of problems with the corners. Yeah, the Scorpion happens to be a little bit of a quieter helmet, not by much, but it is a few millimeters too small, too big, not small, too big for my head, but I've grown my hair out quite a bit, so it's actually feeling quite nice. And believe me, when I tell you, non-motorcyclists, helmet wearings, those millimeters will make a difference. They'll make a difference with quietness inside the helmet. They'll make a difference with comfort. And in the eventuality of a crash, you want that helmet pretty tight to your head, so it takes all the energy forces in it. Yeah, is turn off. All right. I tend to prefer to go to gas stations with a lot of people because I get a lot of people that come over and they just want to talk. They just want to talk motorcycles. Yes, it's a burden. Oh, this jacket is loosening up. It is becoming absolutely fantastic. All right. Remember a video I did last year about me getting gas? And then what are we gonna put in here? 20 bucks. I showed it to a coworker, and as we were watching me do this part, even before it happened, he's like, "Oh no, people are gonna see your code and everything." Fuck. Thanks for the assumption that I'm completely effing stupid, but if you noticed, I blurted out. Oh, here's an ultra cool guy coming up. Man. Come on, drink it. Anyways, that just, I'm not going to name that person because there's no use, but that always stands out in my mind because it is very reflective of the type of person that person is, which is arrogant and assuming and looking down on other people constantly. 14 bucks. Rip off. Just kidding. Is my wallet back? Yeah, everything's back. Do up my jacket. You're a dude, aren't you? And yeah, that's just very indicative of that person, which is sad. Do you really have that sort of opinion of me that I'm actually gonna show my security pin? Come on, dude. Pull your head out of your ass. And furthermore, even if I did, what are the chances of me losing my wallet and someone watching this video and going, "Oh, I can put 2 and 2 together here and use this guy's bank card"? Come on, don't be so stupid. Anyway, that's my rant on the gas station drama. I just laugh. Oh gosh. Is this thing even recording? Am I just fucking wasting my breath right now? I had to put some gas in the car. Oh boy. You know why I say gas instead of gas? Because I have a friend, really good friend, good guy, cool guy. I don't know why, but he calls it gas. Like it has a Z in it. A Z. Gas. So I call it gas too, just to, I don't know, entertain myself. Should go by Ricky's place. Anyways, so I went and topped her off with some Esso Supreme Ultra Excellent gas, which means the winter gas is out of the system. Now we're coming back home because we got stuff to do. We got stuff to do today. Caleb's doing some retraining for his lifeguard. And then later on we got a little barbecue planned down by the river. Alright, I think that's it for today. This might be a short one, so thanks for watching. Oh no, now you know where I live. Oh no. Oh my gosh. What's gonna happen now?